Did you know that you can make money just by liking videos? You could make more money just by liking one single video. You can make even more money every day and you can relax too. You can watch the videos you want and then you can earn money as well. It's amazing, right? All you need to do is go to your PC or laptop or pick up your cell phone and search this website to start earning money. The money you earned is going to your PayPal account. You can do this for 1 hour, 2 hours, or any time you want. This website is absolutely free and it's worldwide. Just follow the strategy step by step, and next time you do this on a website, you can make it easy. I've never revealed this on this channel before, okay? So what are you waiting for? Let's roll the intro. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Mug Money, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Go ahead and like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Now let's go back to the video. Before we go into that main website, the first thing we need to have is a PayPal account, because that is actually where the cash will be kept, in your PayPal account. Simply by watching these videos and liking them, you're going to get paid through PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, go to paypal.com, click the sign up button right here. Make it a personal account and click next. After that, you can scan this QR code if you choose to have the app on your phone, okay? If you don't, you can click Remind Me Later and you move on to the sign up process. You put in your mobile number, fill in all the information, and then you would have a registered free PayPal account. That is exactly what you need to do. You go to paypal.com. That is the first thing you need to do and fill in a free registration, free account, and afterwards, we will move on to the main website. So the website that we're gonna be using today, as you can see here, has many ways to make money just by using it, even though we're focused on liking videos and how you're gonna make that PayPal money. This website can actually help you make money in many different ways. You can promote sites, dig websites, post on Twitter, blog, forum, etc. You can even do post reviews and much more. I just want to make sure you saw that, since this isn't the only way to make money on this website. This is the best way, in my opinion, to like videos. However, if you want to dig deeper into this website after you sign up for free, you can do so and start making money with many different niches and ways. This is the one-stop shop for anybody trying to make a side income. Okay, so for a short disclaimer, this is not gonna make you rich. This is going to make some good side hustle money. Some money to assist you with getting a few gas money, buying some groceries, stuff like that. I want to make sure everyone understands that. But the nice thing is, anyone can do this. It's absolutely free and it's completely worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are, it doesn't matter what your situation is. It's absolutely free and it's absolutely worldwide, and you can get started today. I will show you exactly the first steps that you need to do. You may have heard of this site. This is an amazing site. Again, I've never talked about this site on this channel before. Now, what is Rapid Workers? Well, let's look into it a little bit. Our team helps individuals, small businesses, and professionals to create low-cost publicity and marketing campaigns to increase sales, ranking, better ranking, backlinks, and much more. We are combining workers and employers to our site to minimize publicity and marketing costs, while at the same time providing money to everyday users. Also, this way you are sure that all jobs will be done, and after you will have the ability to review their work. They take all the middleman stuff out. So for employers who are looking to hire workers for whatever jobs you're looking for there, it's a one-stop shop for them. For workers, you can do all kinds of easy jobs online, like liking videos. And I will get into that in a second and get paid right into your PayPal account, so it's a wonderful idea. It takes all the big businesses, all the big marketing expenses, all that stuff out. So it's very affordable for employers, and there's a lot of jobs out there, so you can do more one at a time. Now that we know what rapid workers are, let's get you going onto this deal. All you're gonna do is to sign up for free right here. Right here at the bottom it says sign up for free and start making money or use people's help to start boosting websites. You're gonna put in your name, email address, password, and here's what I want you to focus on, guys. Look at this. Look at all the countries. Pretty much every country is represented on this website. You have India, Iraq, Ireland, Austria, Bangladesh, Belgium. Basically every country you can think of is gonna be there. Even Tanzania and Thailand. I mean, guys, this is definitely worldwide. Take advantage of it no matter where you are. And remember the important rules. This is what will get you banned from this website, so follow along. Do not skip this part by using a VPN or other types of masking IP software that will get you banned. Multiple accounts with the same IP or using shared public Wi-Fi, don't do that because that'll get you banned. Same IP used with other accounts to do tasks is a big no-no. You can only have one IP address. And placing other countries that you're not from, do not do those things. That will definitely get you banned. All these will get you eventually banned, and if you get banned, don't waste your time by making another account, because it's very strict on that. That is why they've been around for a long time, and that is why they're absolutely legit, because they have rules and processes they stick by. So definitely do not do any of those things, because I want to make sure that you're able to make the most money possible with this website. Once you create your free account, as you can see, your account has been created. They're gonna send you a verification email to whatever email address you used. Make sure you use a valid email address, and it's gonna look like this right here. Welcome to Rapid Workers. You have successfully created a Rapid Workers account. Now we have to activate it. You have to click on that, and then you're gonna click on this link right here in the email that they sent you. Just click on it, waiting for it to process, and then it's gonna say congratulations. Your account is now active and you are logged into Rapid Workers. It is that simple, guys. Alright, now here comes the fun stuff. As soon as you sign in, it brings you to your own back office. As you can see, this is my login, and it keeps track of all your transaction histories, your deposit, your withdrawals, the last time you logged in. All of your stats are right up top. Now keep in mind, also when you sign up, you get a bonus of $1, which is really cool. And as you scroll through here, you can see all of the jobs that are available right now. International job is what we're gonna focus on today, because I want you to be able to earn money no matter where you're at. So you can do specific, like United States jobs, like for me, and I can pick this one, but I want to do more international. Now this is the biggest part of this strategy, so keep up with me here. As you can see on the right hand side, here it shows your payment and how long it takes to complete that task. You can see $1 for 3 minutes, and $0.12, $0.3, and $0.15. Internationals are a lot more flexible. You can do a lot more with internationals. You can also use your country. Now, our focus on this video is how to get paid liking videos, okay? So what I want you to do is type in YouTube right here in the search bar. Type YouTube, and then we want to make the most money we can with these videos or with liking these videos. You're going to click on this button right here, Most Paying, and it's going to filter to the most paying jobs. This one pays $3 for a 10-minute task. That's amazing. 10 minutes and you're making $3? What does that equate to in 30 minutes? Well, that's $9. And in an hour? That's $18. $18 an hour doing this task, that's absolutely fantastic, but it filters on the most paying jobs. So let's give you an example. So let's just take any one of these tasks right here. Let's take this one. It's international. Once you click on it right there, and it's gonna tell you exactly everything you need to do to sign up and to start earning this kind of money. You're gonna show proof that you finished the actual task. In this particular case, you can accept this job if you're from these countries only. International, so that's anywhere. Then I will tell you exactly what you need to do for this task to get paid the $2.34. That is so simple, guys, and then you can continue this over and over. This is a rinse and repeat. You can maintain all these tasks, take 2 or 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and you move on to the next task. You can make $20, $30, $40 in a day just by doing this on Rapid Workers. Remember, you get paid straight to your PayPal account, so make sure you look at rapidworkers.com, sign up for the free account like I said, and start creating some online income by liking videos and doing other things on this platform. And that's it! If you liked the video and if you learned something, smash the like button for me and click subscribe! Don't forget the notification bell, okay? As always, if you have any questions, concerns, and comments, just go to the comment section down below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!